Hey there, I'm Hankin. Welcome to RD Insight Episode 3. What is different between TPE and TPU?
What is TPE? TPE stands for Thermoplastic Elastomer. It is a versatile material that combines the prototypes of rubber and plastic. TPE is known for its flexibility, softness, and excellent elasticity, making it a popular choice in various applications. What is TPU? TPU, on the other hand, stands for Thermoplastic Polyurethane. It is a subset of TPE and it's a soft polyurethane type polyurethane that comes into a range of hardness grades.
Now that we understand what TPE and TPU are, let's explore the difference between them.
Application comparison. TPE is ideal for applications where flexible models are required. There are often lighter and softer products such as sports gear, grips, for example, hockey stick handles, toys, mouthpieces. In the medical industry, waterproof seals, airbag covers, and bumpers. TPU, on the other hand, offers a combination of scratch and obstruction resistance. This material is commonly used in production console parts, instrument panels, cosmetic shoes, and cells or gaskets. Surface comparison. TPU tends to have a smoother surface finish compared to TPE, which usually has a rubber-like finish. Heat resistance comparison. Both TPE and TPU offer good heat resistance, but there are some differences. TPE can withstand temperature ranging from -60 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius, whereas TPU has a slightly lower range of -60 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. Toxicity comparison. TPU is generally non-toxic but realizes harmful fumes when exposed to fire or certain chemicals. On the other hand, TPE is non-toxic and has a faint aroma when burnt. Elasticity comparison. TPU belongs to the class of polymer resins, while TPE is a blend of multi-complement polymer structure alloy materials. This makes TPU has superior elasticity and elastic recovery compared to TPE due to its homogeneous polymer structure.
Well, how to distinguish TPE and TPU products? First, you can squeeze the part by hand and observe the elasticity recovery. TPU's elastic recovery is slower, while TPU's elastic recovery is faster. Second, feel the parts with your hand. TPE feels a bit more delicate, whereas TPU feels a bit rougher to the touch. TPE belongs to the medium-low hardness, while TPU belongs to the medium-high hardness. Lastly, conduct a burning test. TPE combustion flame is on the yellow and blue side, with the side bubble and the bottom of the flame and a special aromatic flower with a petroleum odor. TPU combustion flame is basically yellow, with foamy and the bottom of flame and the side explosion sound, along with a certain irritation odor. That's all about today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to get it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe RapidDirect to stay updated with all our future RD Insight episodes. Bye.